In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method on Shopify footer. Adding payment icons to your footer is a quick way to build trust with customers. Those small logos, like Visa, MasterCard, or PayPal, signal that your store accepts secure, familiar payment options. Let's walk through exactly where to turn them on and how to make sure they appear across your store. Start by signing into your Shopify admin and opening your store's dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store. Under Themes, look for your current theme and click Customize. This opens the theme editor, where you can change what appears on your storefront without touching any code. In the preview area, scroll down to the bottom of the page until you see the footer. You can either click directly on the footer in the preview or choose the footer section from the left panel. That will load the footer's settings, which is where the payment icons option lives in most themes. With the footer selected, look to the left-hand settings panel for a toggle or checkbox labeled Payment Method Icons or Show Payment Icons. Turn that on. The label may vary slightly depending on your theme, but it will clearly reference payment icons. Once enabled, Shopify will automatically display the logos that correspond to the payment providers you've activated for your store. You don't need to upload the logos manually, and you won't see icons for payment methods you haven't enabled, which keeps things accurate and uncluttered. Before you move on, glance at the preview. You should see the icons appear in the footer area right away. If you don't, make sure you've actually selected the footer section and not a different block, and check whether your theme places this control under theme settings or as a specific footer block. Using the search bar in the editor and typing payment can help you find the exact setting quickly. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the top right corner. Then use the View button or open your storefront in a new tab to confirm that the icons appear on the live site. Scroll to the bottom of a few pages to make sure they're consistent across your store. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. The set of icons is based on your active payment gateways, so enabling or disabling providers in your payment settings will update what shows here automatically. Also, if you're working on a draft theme, verify that you turn the toggle on in the theme you plan to publish. That's all there is to it. Your footer now clearly displays trusted payment method icons, helping customers